Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, relaxation, and personal retreat within a home. As the most private and intimate space, it is a reflection of the homeowner's personal style and a haven for rest and rejuvenation. A well-designed master bedroom encompasses both functionality and aesthetics, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The layout of a master bedroom is carefully planned to optimize space and flow. The placement of key elements, such as the bed, seating area, and storage, is considered to create a harmonious and balanced environment. The bed, being the centerpiece, is positioned to maximize natural light and provide a focal point for the room. Ample space around the bed allows for easy movement and creates a sense of openness. Color palette plays a significant role in setting the mood and ambience of the master bedroom. Soft, neutral tones like whites, creams, and grays create a serene and tranquil atmosphere, promoting relaxation and restfulness. Accent colors can be incorporated through textiles, artwork, or accessories to add visual interest and personal flair. The choice of colors should reflect the homeowner's preferences and contribute to a sense of calmness and serenity. Lighting in the master bedroom should be versatile and adjustable to cater to different needs and moods. Natural light is highly desirable, and large windows or skylights can be incorporated to maximize daylight. Additionally, a combination of ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting can be used to create a layered effect and enhance functionality. Dimmers allow for customization of lighting levels according to personal preference and specific activities. The bed in a master bedroom should be comfortable and inviting, serving as a place for restful sleep and relaxation. A high-quality mattress, supportive pillows, and luxurious bedding ensure a restorative and comfortable sleep environment. The headboard can add a touch of elegance and serve as a visual anchor for the bed. Upholstered, tufted, or carved headboards can create a sense of luxury and style. Storage solutions are essential in a master bedroom to keep the space organized and clutter-free. Built-in closets, walk-in wardrobes, or fitted wardrobes provide ample storage space for clothing, accessories, and personal belongings. Customized storage solutions cater to the homeowner's specific needs and maximize the use of available space. A seating area in the master bedroom offers a private retreat within the room, providing a cozy corner for relaxation, reading, or contemplation. Plush armchairs, a chaise lounge, or a comfortable bench create a designated space for unwinding. This area can be enhanced with soft lighting, a side table, and a cozy rug to create a cozy and inviting nook. Decorative elements such as artwork, mirrors, and accessories personalize the master bedroom and add a touch of personality and style. Thoughtfully chosen pieces create visual interest and reflect the homeowner's taste. Textiles, such as curtains, rugs, and throw pillows, add warmth and texture, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. In conclusion, the master bedroom is a private sanctuary within a home, designed for comfort, relaxation, and personal rejuvenation. The layout, color palette, lighting, and choice of furnishings and accessories all contribute to creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. By incorporating functionality, comfort, and personal style, a well-designed master bedroom becomes a haven of tranquility, promoting restful sleep and enhancing the overall quality of life. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!